Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. As you can see, we're back on the road and we're on our way to Virginia to visit my sister. This was a tiring 1,800-mile drive in the summer heat, and let's just say many lessons were learned. For one, East Coast summer ain't no joke. Welcome to our free camp spot for the night. If you're new here, this is my baby girl Jada, and this is Buddha, the Wonder Pug. He's newly blind and finally starting to adjust. Well, we all are. We now announce ourselves before walking up to him and offer our hand out for him to sniff and help ease his mind. And I think he appreciates it. I made dinner in the crock pot and we stayed in for the rest of the night. Welcome to our new spot for the night with a price tag of $15.
How to lose a finger. Hey, bud.
With us knowing we had to get on the road the next morning, we decided to spend our time like this, relaxing and letting Jada release some of her puppy energy.
Hi, crazy. Hi, feral child. What are we looking for? This. Well done.
We were lucky to stumble upon this hidden gem. It was free to camp for up to 14 days, so we decided to stay here for a few nights. During this time, I didn't film much, but here's what I caught.
So much better. Enjoy. Not the best stick for this, but we'll make it work.
You found you a good stick. You sad to go, boo? Y'all ready to leave? On to new places?
Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size.
Oh my god. Like, what the freak, y'all? What is this? It's huge. I don't think I'm gonna like the East Coast, and I'm being completely honest. Like, I was okay with the East Coast when I lived in a house, you know, with AC and walls, but being out in the elements on the East Coast where it's very moist, weird bugs everywhere, I'm feeling like I don't need to be here. Like, I'm not liking this, like, one bit. So the fire started to go out. This works, spraying some vegetable oil on it. Yay! Maybe I can get the other side going. She's a firebender. She's from the Fire Nation. Burn, baby, burn. Disco and after the fire, we decided to try and create our own swamp cooler. While driving to get all the supplies, the AC went out on the Mini with the lashes, and that was basically the last straw. The East Coast heat was unbearable, so we decided to hotel it the rest of the way. Look at how long Jada is. For the remainder of the trip, I decided I wasn't going to film. I was always hot, and the heat with the humidity was making this van life experience horrible. On our final leg into Virginia, I pulled over at the rest stop and was greeted by these beauties, and they made me turn on my camera. As I finished this drive, I decided it was time to say goodbye to the Minnie with the lashes. She was great during my time in San Francisco, but now we needed something bigger with possible all-wheel drive and working AC, so a new vehicle was in our future. Well, we finally made it to Virginia, but that'll be the next video. Thanks for tuning in to find out where is Brittany. See y'all next time, and remember, adventure awaits.